Hi there, this is Ben with Easy Mo Media, the solar marketing specialist. Now, going to be a quick video today touching about solar lead lists and typically why they're low quality. And if you've been on a Facebook group looking for solar leads, you've probably seen posts like something like this, right? It's very, very common. So price 100 leads for 20 bucks. Do you really think they're going to be quality leads for a start? Like, just judging by that price point, if you're selling a job for 10, 15K in revenue, those numbers don't add up, right? They just don't make sense. But on top of that, within 2 hours, there was 12 comments on this post. So at least 6 other companies have got these leads. So if you're commenting as the seventh company, you're already going to be behind the ball. These customers are going to be getting slammed by solar companies that only want to sell them solar companies because it's a numbers game, right? The more numbers you call, the more people you call, you might get one or two. But if you're really buying these leads expecting a high close rate, you're kidding yourself. Comes down to it. It's simple as that. Because all these other people are getting the exact same leads, the exact same content information, right? The contact information. So when you buy these leads and then you go into the Facebook group complaining about quality and spamming, you're really doing it to yourself. There's no one to blame but yourself. And that whole mentality in the solar industry about buying lead lists, and it's definitely a numbers game for sure. But if you're creating and generating your own leads, exclusive leads directly through your website or your PPC campaign, you don't have to fight with this noise. You don't have to try and climb over every other solar company to book in a job, right? So, what I wanted to quickly touch on is this is a dashboard, an internal dashboard. This is real data coming from my solar clients that I work with in marketing. So SEO, PPC, website design, PPC can be Google or Facebook ads, depending on your strategy. But 2,687 exclusive leads. These aren't these lead lists that are 5,000 leads for $600. They're actual leads that are genuinely interested in solar. They've filled out a form. 472 leads filled out a form. 2,215 leads have made a phone call to these solar companies directly looking for a quote, for a solar quote of, yeah, they're showing interest for solar. It's not a lead list where it's been handed down and passed around every other solar company in your area. It's not people that aren't interested in solar that have shown zero interest in solar. These are actual people that want to get in touch with a local solar company, that want to move forward with an installation, and they're looking out there, they're seeing who's out there, they're getting quotes. So if you're tired of this lead generation strategy, if you're tired of calling 5,000 leads and getting maybe one sale if you're lucky, if you'd rather have 2,687 exclusive solar leads directly looking for a solar company to get a quote from, then get in touch, book a call, and I'll show you exactly how this works. No hidden fees, no bullshit, just full straight transparency. And I will give you, yeah, basically exactly how we do it, the formula we use, the how we do it. I'll include a free website audit to show you that, we know what we're talking about because we only work with solar companies and we have the results to prove it. So book a call in today and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you.